Today, we're going to talk about guest verification. How can you protect your vacation rental business from bad actors, fraudulent reservations, chargebacks, and all sorts of just annoying things that people do when you're trying to run an honest business. And we're going to look at a specific company that we cherish a lot here at Enzo Connect that actually works out of our office here in Toronto called Autohost. So as you can see here, as part of your guest journey editor, when you're developing the guest journey for your Enzo Connect boarding pass and messages and guest interactions, we've got 4 different templates. For the sake of today's demo, we're going to look at a specific template called enhanced verification. Now, this is the setting that we have seen hundreds of operators set up. This is not us creating magic here, although I would love to say we did. This is what we've seen work best across over 30,000 properties. Basically, what we're looking at is segmenting based on booking lead time, segmenting based on booking channel, and identifying what kind of verification settings we can put in place to create a seamless experience, but still guarantee some sort of protection for your properties. So in this particular case, what we're looking at is for Airbnb bookings, we've got less than 3 days lead time where we're going to actually verify the IDs and use Autohost fraud prevention systems to check that the ID matches the reservation. They run all sorts of checks to make sure the IP address, what's it called? The face matches the selfie, the name of the ID matches the reservation. Like, it is intense. But it's done in such a seamless way because it is one-click enable for Enzo Connect, and boom, you've got Autohost enabled in your account. For greater than 3 days lead time, we're going to take a bit more of a soft approach for Airbnb and not verify as much the IDs with all of these different authentication procedures. Just people feel a bit intrusive in the Airbnb reservations that are longer and less likely to be fraudulent. And then for non-Airbnb bookings, Booking.com, VRBO, you name it, even direct bookings, we're going to go the extra mile and make sure that we're collecting data and that we're using, again, this Autohost fraud detection system. We've got different basic packages. These are templates. You can modify them however you want. If you want to go full advanced, we've got even more settings set up. And once I go ahead and select one of the packages that I want, wait a few seconds, enable it. This is going to load up all of the different settings right here. And you can go ahead and see, okay, we've got Autohost right here, fraud prevention. We're collecting some data. These are the settings. And we've got some additional settings, which I'll discuss in a different demo bite. This is how you enable Autohost in your account. You can use our preset templates. You can set up your own verification setting however you want. Literally, you can just create from scratch and create your own rules. Go to your automated section, one-click enable, boom, you've got Autohost in your account. And if you're already an Autohost user, guess what? You can connect your Autohost account to Enzo Connect so that you can keep all of those settings that you already have set up and just put them as part of a seamless flow in your boarding pass. Thank you so much for listening to yet another Enzo Demo Bite.